everyone, I am Gavneet Kaur, practicing clinical and child psychologist in New Delhi. Children model whatever behavior we display in our day-to-day life, and they imitate from us only whatever we are doing and whatever we are facing in our life and how we are dealing. So it is very necessary that we behave very properly and behave nicely, so that the children are also able to listen and imitate us and the good behaviors from us in their day-to-day life. For example, children imitate everything from us only, that is, from their parents, from their adults only. So it is very necessary that our behavior should be in appropriate manner, so that they also learn the behaviors in the appropriate manner and exhibit in their life. Children model what we are doing in our life, that is our relationship with technology. How do we deal with our frustration? They learn that from us, and then they deal with their frustration in their life. If we are not dealing with the frustration in a nice way, in the appropriate rational way, they will also not be able to deal with their frustration in the rational way. How do we solve our problems? How do we take care of ourselves? How do we apologize or repair to any of the repair in our life? How do we ask for help? How do we handle our mistakes? How do we deal with our conflicts in our relationship or with our friends? How do we approach the differences which is in our between our family members or any of our friends or our soulmates? How do we approach the differences? How do we care for the animals? How do we care for the environment? And how do we listen? So these are all the things which was coming to my mind, which I thought that I can share with all of you, that children imitate from us as parents and display in their day-to-day life. So if we behave properly, we are able to deal with our conflicts properly, we are able to listen properly, we are able to care about others in the rational manner. They will learn all of these things from us in the rational manner, and they will not behave in the irrational manners. If there is something which you want to add, you can add. And if any of the areas which you are facing difficulties with your children, you can refer to me. I am a practicing clinical child and clinical psychologist in clinical and child psychologist in New Delhi. And so it is very important that we deal with the conflicts or the difficulties of the children at the early stages, whatever they have imitated from us or from all the other elders, so that we can deal with it in the early stages, when the symptoms are mild, and we can deal with it effectively. Thank you so much.